Hi, Karyn Damschen with Damschen Financial Planning. We're going to take a look at what happened in the markets last week. The big story, of course, was that jobs report, and all that data came in surprisingly strong. The economy added 172,000 jobs in May, which is more than double what was expected. And that's generally good news, right? Well, the markets didn't quite see it that way. So the Fed is watching both inflation and employment when deciding where to set the interest rates. With jobs this strong, plus prices still elevated due to the cost of oil, the Fed may have less reason to cut rates. In fact, some analysts are wondering whether a rate increase could be on the table. Now, that type of uncertainty pushed the 10-year Treasury yield back above 4.5% and triggered a sell-off to close out the week. Particularly, we saw those tech and chip stocks drop. And meanwhile, this whole situation in Iran remains unresolved. The markets feel like they've moved past that issue, but it remains a variable that I think is worth watching. Now, I know that short-term volatility is always a part of investing, and I continue to keep a close eye on all of these events and how they might affect your plan. If you have any questions, of course, make sure you reach out, and I'll be back again next week with another update.